Look what has germinated and is growing now. The green beans finally are coming up too. Okay, green beans and yellow wax beans. Come on, grow for us. After I film the cucumbers over there sprouting up and growing, the green beans and yellow wax beans say they coming up too. Come on, grow for us. I have my sweet potatoes growing over here. Look at all of those slips coming up. Come on, sweet potato. Can't wait to harvest you. Look, we have harvested more asparagus. Looking good. Yes, you are. Looking good. Grown in Big Mama's garden.